So guys, check out the pools. See the pool, guys. Hey, this is awesome, yeah.
Fancy.
Thank you. Car, then after that we are going to leave to that place. And over there's no range. I've told you also in the previous video. Guys, thali is here. Thali. This is with roti, the thali. It's okay. Hold it. That's my extra don't galto. I'm not going to disturb anyone.
Run.
All guys, they're enjoying and I'm over here, poor thing, cooking for everyone. Understand my feeling, man. See. So guys, it's time for swimming pool. Let's go in. Come on, guys. Come boys. Let's go. Yes, yeah. I've shown you the area already. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we're going to have fun and show you guys also. Yeah, wait, later. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's a new day. It's a new vlog. So today is Saturday, and today the plan is scheduled like tuck. Like you can say from lunchtime till next day. So I'll tell you what it is. As per now, like I've just got ready. So getting ready. These guys are come to pick me up. So we're heading for lunch. That also I'll give you update on the way. So stay tuned and be with me. I'll tell you later. So guys, I'm in the car right now. These guys have picked me up. So we are at Kolva right now. So these guys are come to pick up some stuff of theirs, soft drinks and all. And one girl is here. So let them get and then we'll be leaving. Plan is to leave for lunch. Now we have not decided where it is exactly. So we'll be going for lunch and then I will catch you guys up. So guys, we have taken a stop over here to buy some chips, some soft drinks and all that extra accessories what these girls they want and the boys they want. So we picked up now and both the cars are here. So we are going to leave. And the plan is for lunch I've said, but place is not yet decided. That I'll tell you on the way once we reach. Yeah. So guys, we're coming to put fuel. So guys, we have stopped at this petrol pump to put air in the tire. So 35. So after this we are leaving and then I'll catch you. So guys, we're in Ponda right now. So I know you'll not hear my voice properly because of the traffic. So after roaming, we got lost in that jungle area. So we are come back now where there is network. These people were hungry, so I said, okay, let's go and eat something. So we are come to this place. There, Mardol. Okay. So we are come here to eat. And these are people. So yeah, once we enter, we're going to order something and then we're going to eat something. And so guys, we are finally at this restaurant. It's almost now, we can say, it's 3. So we've already placed the order and I just came to wash my hands. So we are going to have lunch and then after that we are going to go to that place. And it's inside, so there's no range over there. Only BSNL and Wi-Fi. I think they have Wi-Fi. So I'll connect to you guys over there. There's 2 plates are here. 2 plates. And my chili chicken is here.
Stare at the chili chicken.
Wait, I'll wait for you guys. What quantity less ka hai mere? So guys, thali is here. Thali. This is with roti, the thali. It's okay. Hold it. That's my extra don't galto.
No, mine.
Okay.
Mine is this. Who's that?
Zale? Baba, 5.
No,
Mine is the chapati one. No, this is the one with rice.
No, mine is a
Rice and chapati.
Baba, 1 plate add and
Rice and chapati for one thali.
अब एक
For the
plate and fork. Guys,
नहीं यही थाली में मैंने चपाती डालने के लिए बोला।
थालीज are here. So guys, thalis are here. All are having fish thali, and this is my chicken thali. I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna disturb anyone.
Run.
So guys, we just finished our lunch. Lunch was over there on top. So now we are going back, heading towards the car. Then after that we are going to leave to that place. And over there is no range. I have told you also in the previous video. So guys, that's the Ponda Chapel or church, something, I don't know. It's on the main road. Yeah. So guys, we are here. We've taken a stop. So we are on the way. See, this is all the jungle area. This is some crossing Indian Goa Forest Department. Yes, this is a car. And yeah. Oh, man. Go ahead. So guys, we took a stop there. We to click some pictures. Now we are going ahead. One more stop. So guys, this is one more spot we have stopped. So this is a nice small like waterfall type, like not waterfall, like water is flowing from up. From here. It's coming from there. And it's going all here. Guys, see the plane. So guys, the waterfall is going here from here. And check out these cuties. Nora.
Nora, come here.
Arey, where are you going there?
Nora. Take it there.
Chalo guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes. So guys, we have already reached.
Fancy.
Thank you. One more place will be. Arey. He got firstly excited. Guys, this is the place. I'll go and show you also. So guys, we are finally here. We just parked. That's the parking. This is only specially for us today, the whole day. So this is nice. Yeah, this is inside a forest area. See here. See the place. This is the footpath area. This is how you walk in. And that side, this is the place. And this is all the, I don't know what you call it, coconut trees are also there. And yeah. So this is the house. So guys, check out the pools. See the pool, guys. Hey, this is awesome, yeah.
Yeah, you want to go and jump in.
This is the place. This is all a field area. I don't know what to say here. And these are the rooms. I'll show you inside. Okay guys, this is the barbecue area. Barbecue, right? Yes.
Zadi badi ka hai na?
Okay, this is the Zadi area. Not Zadi, the barbecue area. Yes. Guys, check this. So beautiful and nice. This is also there. This is. So basically, this whole house is ours for today till tomorrow.
Welcome, bye.
मैंने एंट्री खंचा करा मित्र।
So So guys, the place. Check out the place, guys. Check out the place. This is the holy place. So we enter here. This is the hall. This is the dining, and this is Annalise. And then we have one more room. This room, and then there's this one more place over here. And then we go here. There's one more room, and there's the pool. Get up from the bed, run there. Get up from the bed, run and jump inside. Get out of the bed, run and jump in. And this is the kitchen. There are some nice onions, nice kitchen. So there's nice cute mirror over here. So basically guys, we have to get up from the room and jump in the pool. Get up from the room and jump in the pool. Yes. Guys, excuse me for this. आजकल की लड़कियां बर्बाद. So guys, we're finally here. We reached at the spot and I showed you around. Hope you liked it. And yeah, it is a good experience. The way, like, it was fun driving and coming. Such a far place. And this is the area where you wash your hands and all. So yeah, I've shown you the area already. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we're going to have fun and show you guys also. Yeah, wait, later. So guys, everyone's having fun there. So we'll be going to enter the pool right now. So before that, I'll have to change and then we're going to take a dive in. Yes. And whatever it is, I'm going to show you guys. And this is the drone. So guys, some barbecue time. You got a lighter, no? You wait, I get a lighter. So guys, we're going to light the barbecue right now. So we're going to show you that also. So wait, we get that thing on. And then we'll show you the show, how it goes. Party all night. First of all, the place is very good. Too good. So yes, we can do this. Light rod. बैठ लो सारा बहुत सही है. हाँ पेटलो. Okay, so we're going to light this up, and this is all the equipments. This is the gas. This is the chow. So from here, this is going to light up, and then the show is going to begin. This is Guru over here. Guru is going to help us. चलिए So guys, the barbecue is on. So just put the butter with lemon over here so that it can get marinated properly. So butter is on right now, and this is chicken over here. Yeah, putting it on the barbecue stand so that So yeah, guys, once the barbecue is ready, I'll show you guys. So you be with me, and yeah, barbecue is on. So yeah, I'll get it done and I'll show you guys. So guys, I just turned it all the chicken. See, it's almost done. So now I'll put the butter on the other side also, so that it gets cooked well, and then after that it's ready to eat. It's ready to eat after that. So wait. All guys, they're enjoying, and I'm over here, poor thing, cooking for everyone. Understand my feeling, man. See. Yeah, I'll just apply this all butter for it, and then I'll catch you guys up. Okay? Yeah. Let me put the butter. So guys, barbecue chicken is on the house. It's going on, yeah. I just changed. I just turned it, and I applied the butter, which is over here. So it's getting cooked. Check this. Yes, it's gonna be tasty as hell, and they're gonna like my dish what I prepared. The barbecue chicken, specially made by Ryan DeMello. Yes. So guys, chicken is all ready. India in the house, the chef. Chalo. So guys, lime is squeezed and butter is applied, so it's ready to go. Next section will be later. Already.
This has become more juicy actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Okay,
of
good,
the
good.
butter.
You guys. So guys, it's time for swimming pool. Let's go in. Come on, guys. Come boys. Let's go. Yes, that's the pool. It's pool time, guys. So yeah, now we're going to take a dip, and then I'll show you guys also. Yeah. So yeah, let's go to the pool. Guys, it was a nice swim and it was quite nice. Like I felt good after the swim, and yeah, now it's almost 3. It's going to be 3 now, so the checkout time is at 3. So we have to leave from here. And yeah, the pool is here. See the place, yeah, such nice and beautiful. And this is the house. It's nice, na? I like the place. So yeah, heading back in now. So guys, butter chicken and roti. So yes, I'm gonna take this also. And tonic water. That's for me. Wait, let's see what's this. One tonic water. I think this is cost. Take the other one. Yes, this. Let me wipe my hands. Put my hands here. This I put in my pocket. So yeah, it's time to eat something. This. I want a good view, so I'll go. Guys, butter chicken and this view, awesome. So guys, we're all done today. So we are leaving this place. Everything's sorted. The bag is there. Yeah. So it's by to this place, and yes, it's by to this nice, beautiful place. We'll see you soon in the future. So yeah, we are leaving now. Yeah. So guys, off we go. Chal Guru. Thank you so much. This is Guru in the house. He helped us a lot. Thanks to him. Yes. अशें कितें उरला जाल्यार मागीर फोन मारा. ओके गुरू. कितें उरलें जाल्यार मातशें फोन मार. हांवें बेश्टें चोयला वयला वयर. So guys, yes, I was just checking once before we leave if there is anything left. So yeah. Fella? Okay. So she's packing it for us. Thank you so much. आत मडगांव वचपाचें. Okay. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. चल बाय. Guys are leaving. Chicken. Yesterday's. Hey, open the dicky, no?
Shams 375.
Bitch.
No, 457 or something. Boy.
There's a key called there.
मैं आऊँ कित करूँ?
घेऊन हालोवपाचें. अरे here. अरे open the dicky, no?
You want me to open it?
Yeah. Press it. Open button, na. See my pen. So guys, I left something. Oh yes. Thank you. आणि काय उरला नो? काय ना? Okay. Thank you so much. मुझे चड्डी. Finally guys, I got my chaddi. I left it over here. Precious Nike one. My chaddi. Guys, I left my chaddi. क्या हुआ बे? These guys are hungry at the back. Hungry. So guys, yeah, this guy is going to buy something from there. Taking a point break. So on the way back home.
We got stuck here yesterday at some cow sheds. Came back looking for the dog. Don't know where the cows are. We're stuck. Where's the dog? There's no dog today. How sad. Hey, chickens.
0.5.
Ryan is driving.
Yes, guys.
Ryan.
Yes. So guys, we're in some jungle area. I don't know where. There's no range. There's nothing at all. So we're just enjoying our drive.
The same place we got lost yesterday.
Yeah, the same place we got lost actually. We went all the way back on the main road so that we get the range and call these guys because they also were lost with us.
Yes. And now we're chilling.
Now we are chilling with water. Water bottle.
Water, sober gang.
Sober gang.